Okay, hi everyone. This is Julie with Her That. We're at a house here in Little Elm, Texas. We're going to be putting on shutters. Tristan and Randy's over there on the other side putting those shutters on. The customer picked a sage color, which I really think is pretty. Let me turn you around. As you can see, the house is a white rock house. I'll try to pan out here just a little bit so you can see. But we're doing curve here because of the curved window. And then Tristan's doing the little windows on top. Because as you know, I don't get on ladders anymore because I fell. I think this is going to be really pretty with this house. We did that one side until Tristan was ready. Came over here with him to hold that ladder just to make sure. So the second one's fixing to go up. I hope that you can see with this sun. This customer also is thinking about letting us do a sunroom in the back of her house, which I think would be really pretty. Now you can probably see a little bit better. There it is. That looks really good. I like that color.
No, too. You almost shot left-handed last weekend.
Huh?
I said, I hate doing things left-handed. He said, you almost shot left-handed this weekend. And it's true.
So anyway, those will go up there. We're not going to do anything to this one just because of the window's curved and you have the gutters here and then you don't have enough room over here on this side. So there'll be a shutters here, there, and then this window, and then this window. And then with the screws, with the rock and stuff, it's not going to lay flat, as you can tell. So you have to put the screw where it goes, so they will be laying stable and everything. And then we'll just come back and paint that, so it's not going to hurt it. But that's what happens when you run into the brick and the rock. It makes the shutters not lay flat. But you need the shutters because it just gives it that personality. Everybody should have shutters on their home. Okay, he will finish putting that on, and then we'll move over to this one, and then me and Randy will finish it, and then I'll show you the after project. But sage, I want to say this one is called Ultimate Sage, but I'll double check that for you. Thanks, y'all. Bye. Okay, so they have this already on. They have the two up there on. Tristan is working, Randy's working on painting, and he might be a little too short.
Sure.